How to check when you installed an app on your Android phone. The method I'll show you works on many Android devices, but keep in mind that the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Let's say you want to know when you installed Discord. First, find the app icon. Now, long press on the app icon, just hold your finger down on it. Select App Info. This screen shows information about the app. Now, look for the installation date. The exact location of this information might differ slightly depending on your phone. On some devices, you'll find it prominently displayed. On others, you might need to scroll down a bit. Look for something like installation date or installed. You might also find information about last update, if available. That's it. Checking your app installation dates is usually straightforward, though the exact location of this information can vary across different Android versions and device brands. If you can find it, searching your phone settings for installed apps or app information might help.